Hey everybody, do you ever find yourself wishing that you had more hours in the day to get stuff done? Or do you find yourself robbing from the hours you're supposed to be dedicating to your good night's rest to get the stuff done that you need to do? Because if you do, you're not alone. It's a common problem that we see today. In today's modern society, there's deadlines, things move at a faster pace, and that's a common solution that we arrive at is we're just going to rob a few hours from our sleep to get the stuff done that we need to do. But the thing is, we know that sleep is essential to our health. And the problem that a lot of people have these days is they're not getting enough quality sleep. So every single day that we're awake, our bodies are dealing with stress and taking damage. And during our sleep time is ideally when our body's repairing all that damage. And there's an organ that's always awake and always active that coordinates all the healing work. That's your brain. And the way the brain coordinates all the function and healing in the body is it's sending constant signals through the actual spinal cord itself, and then the nerves that branch off from the spinal cord that spread out into the body and talk to everything in your body. So there's a condition that even if you're getting optimal sleep, you're getting enough hours of sleep and you're getting quality sleep, that can still interfere with the body's ability to heal. That's called subluxation. Subluxation is when your body's been dealing with stress in amounts that it's exceeding its ability to adapt to and heal on its own. That causes misalignment in the actual spinal bones. And you can see where I'm twisting that out of place. That'll put pressure, pinch on that nerve. Now the signals from the brain aren't going through that pinched nerve like they're supposed to, and that's causing function in the body to not happen like it's supposed to. So one of those things that doesn't happen as much when the brain doesn't communicate to the body is it doesn't heal like it's designed to. And that's one of the big problems that we see in people is they're subluxated. Even if they're getting enough sleep, their body's not optimally healing because the communication is broken down. So the only way to know if you're subluxated is to get in and get it checked by a chiropractor, because we can't see our spine when we look in the mirror. We can see maybe cues to that with our posture being off and things like that. And often, unfortunately, when there's pressure on a nerve caused by subluxation, we don't feel symptoms unless the problem's been in there for a long time. So a lot of the people I meet for the first time, when they're crawling in the front door, they can barely walk. We're truly dealing with problems that didn't happen a week ago when the back went out. It's a problem that started years and years and years, decades ago, and this is finally this last straw that broke the camel's back that's preventing them from doing the things they want to do. So, if you haven't had your spine checked, and especially if you're having symptoms, problems with your body, problems with your health, the next step is just get in here and get checked so we can see that the spine is healthy, keeping the nervous system healthy, which talks to the entire body and keeps you healthy and working like you're supposed to. That's it. Simple as that. Have a great day.